Hi, my name is Akash Mukundara Ugle. Today we are discuss about drug discovery and drug development. The first we discuss about the definition of drug discovery, definition of drug development, and which stage involves in drug discovery and development. First, what is meant by drug discovery? Drug discovery is systematic process of identify and develop the new pharmaceutical compound of biologics with the therapeutic potential. Then drug development is a systematic process of bringing a new pharmaceutical drug to the market, and lead compound has been discovered through the drug discovery. The many stage or many sub stages involved in drug discovery. The first is the target identification, target validations, high throughput screening, lead compounds, preclinical development means preclinical trials, INDA, new drug investigational product. Then second is then clinical trials, NDA, new drug application. Then review of regulatory authorities. The first we are discuss about the drug identification. In drug identification, to identify the specific biological compounds means protein, the protein coupled receptors, hormones, ion channels. Then second steps means target validation. Target validations mean confirm the target and relevant to the disease. In target validations, the confirm to the target and to this target is relevant to the diseases. The second is high throughput screening. High throughput screening means is the automated equipment used in the drug discovery and development to test a million and thousand sample for the biological activities. Then lead compounds. Lead compound refer to the lead compounds through the interactive testing and medical modifications to enhance the safety, efficacy and pharmacological property or pharmacological compound to the property to the compound. Then preclinical development mean preclinical studies. Preclinical study involves in the ex vivo, ex vitro and in vivo, ex vivo and ex vitro. In this phase involves in the extensive laboratory and animal testings to the assess the safety, efficacy and pharmacological property to the compound. Then IND, new drug, investigational new drug. IND submitted to the regulatory authority. In IND include the comprehensive informational data related to the preclinical trials. Then clinical trials. Clinical trials is a research studies. Involves the peoples with the specific disease or healthy volunteers. There are 5 phases are involved: phase 1, phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. Then NDA, new drug application. New drug application submitted to the regulatory authority. In new drug applications include the comprehensive data related to clinicals, preclinicals and manufacturing information. Then last is the review of regulatory authority and post marketing and approve the post marketing to the post marketing drug to the market. This is the whole about the drug